Namaste. I hope you are watching this series of ours, video series, where I am talking about goal manifestation and what are the different kinds of hurdles that do not allow us to manifest our goals. Of course, we are receiving all your comments, all your suggestions, your questions. We are receiving by email, WhatsApp, etc., even by the YouTube comments. I am very happy and I thank you for it. Please continue to give us your support and your comments because we need the feedback. I need to know how this series is working with you. Now, today I thought I will talk about one particular issue that many people have in their mind with respect to goal manifestation. There was this young man who came to meet me. He was an Alpha Siddha. He has done our class already. He was also meditating. He came and said, I have a goal in my mind. It's a real, very important goal for me and I am meditating towards it, but somewhere there is a confusion in my mind and I feel that's not helping me to move towards the goal. Then I asked him what is the goal and what is the confusion. He said, right from my childhood, I always wanted to be an IAS officer. I said, that's a wonderful goal. You can prepare for it, you can definitely do it. He said, I am preparing very well and I know that if I write, I will definitely get through. But even when I prepare for it, when I sit down to study or even when I sit down to meditate for it, somewhere in my mind there is this fear. Now, once I pass the exam, I become an IAS officer and the news is out and there will be publicity, there will be so many people coming to congratulate me, my own relatives, my own friends and many others also, sometimes even the media. So, when I think about all that, he said, I shudder. I really don't know whether I can face that kind of publicity. I feel I am not ready for it. I feel I am not equipped for it. So, that was holding him back, his own self-esteem was less. He thought he will not be able to handle it and that fear was rising in his mind. Although the goal was very clear in his mind and the determination was there and the desire to manifest the goal was very high. I could see that. Then I explained to him that you need to change the way you are looking at this publicity. So, you can definitely achieve this goal if you can talk to your own subconscious mind and tell yourself and increase your self-esteem. Tell yourself, I can handle this publicity. Once I pass the exam, even if people come to congratulate me, people come to talk to me, I will be very happy to do that. I will handle it comfortably. Keep saying that to yourself and increase your self-esteem and self-confidence. I said, this is a wonderful goal that you have. Why are you allowing this small fear to pull you back? There is so much good that you can do as an IAS officer and you have the capacity to pass the exam. You deserve it. So, go ahead and do it. Don't even think about anything else. Publicity is something you can handle. Then that cleared his mind and then he went, he made all his efforts, he meditated and of course, he got through also. I can say that happily. And that was one thing where the person was afraid of the manifestation, I would say. In the previous episode also I spoke about that. Fear of manifesting the goal. Here it was in a different way. The goal itself was okay with him. He was happy to become an IAS officer, but that publicity which comes with it, the media, all that was creating the fear in his mind. So, once you remove that, you increase your self-confidence. It's very easy to achieve the goal, to move towards the goal. This is one example. There is another example which is also similar. There was one lady who came and spoke to me. She was also an Alpha Siddha. She had done our basic level class. She said she was working in a college as an assistant professor and she was aiming to become a proper lecturer. That was like a promotion for her. So, she said, I have been trying to get that post. I have also been meditating for it, and she said I also appeared for an interview, but somehow I didn't get through in spite of all this, but I really want to get that post. Then I was talking to her, but what is wrong? Why are you not able to do it? I am sure you deserve it. Then as we were talking, it came out from her that she was not able to see herself as a lecturer. She said, even when I try to visualize in Alpha, the moment I try to see myself as a lecturer there in a higher position, I somehow get a little worried, I get a bit scared and I start thinking, do I deserve this? Will I fit that position properly? Will I be able to do justice to that position? All these questions come in my mind and I feel I may not be able to do it. So, you see here the self-esteem was very low and that is why although the goal was there in the mind, this lady was not able to move towards that goal because she was not able to feel that she deserved that goal. This can happen to anybody. But then I spoke to her and I told her that if the goal is so clear in your mind, the self-esteem is lacking, you can improve your self-esteem. You can talk to yourself, tell yourself that I can become a lecturer, I can do wonderful work, I can do great justice to that position, and I really deserve that position. Keep telling yourself that and equip yourself in whatever way you can, and also do your meditation, make your efforts. I am sure the goal will manifest for you. So then she went with clarity, she moved towards her goal, and finally she achieved it also. So these examples tell us that even though the goal is clear in the mind, if there is some hesitation due to some kind of an emotion, either it is fear of manifestation, or it is fear of how to handle the publicity, or it is lack of self-esteem, all these can also become big hurdles. They will not even allow you to think about the goal. So if you have any such hurdles in your mind regarding your goal, throw them aside. Improve your self-esteem. You can manifest this goal. You deserve this goal. Keep watching this series, and please do write your comments, write your questions. I look forward to them, and you can write them here in the YouTube channel, or you can write by WhatsApp to our numbers. You can even write an email to us. All of them will come to me. I will definitely read them, and I am looking forward to your comments and questions, because I am making this video series with the hurdles, the different kinds of hurdles that can stop us from manifesting our goals, because I feel it can help many people to understand what's happening in their life. Okay, so that is why I need to get your feedback. So please do write to us and keep manifesting all your goals. Keep watching our series.